Hey guys, welcome to the part 5 of this series, and I hope you all are enjoying it and you are finding it helpful. So, today I'll be again guiding you with 5 questions and its 4 options with its solutions as and when required. And what I would recommend again is that you should be solving it daily. Try to solve at least one episode per day of this series, and that will be definitely boosting up your confidence during the examinations. So, yes, without wasting the time, then let us begin. So, the first question goes like Mentox test is used for which disease? And the options are tuberculosis, hepatitis, herpes simplex, and dengue. This is very common question and I hope that you guys would be knowing it. And the right answer for this is tuberculosis. Now the second question. Nalidixic acid is having which ring? So this is a question from medicinal chemistry, and what I would recommend is that you should be at least knowing the basic rings of certain drugs. Okay, and that would be helpful to you during the examinations. So here the options goes like phenothiazine, benzoquinone, nephtheridine, and dibenzazepine. So here the right answer is nephtheridine. Nalidixic acid is having nephtheridine ring as we can see in the structure. Okay, this is the structure of nalidixic acid which is having nephtheridine ring. Now let us move to question number 3. Cascarosides contain which type of glycoside? So this is a question from pharmacognosy, and again this is very confusing question. Generally students make mistakes in this type of questions, so what I would suggest is try to clear it up. Just know which particular compound has which type of glycosides. So here for cascarosides the options are O glycoside, C glycoside, both or none. And the right answer for this is both. Cascarosides is containing both the types, that is O glycoside as well as C glycoside. Now let us move to question number 4. Which adsorbent used as stationary phase has highest strength? The options are alumina, magnesium oxide, charcoal, and silica gel. So, what is to be noted here is that all the 4 options are having stationary phases, and we have to select the one which is having highest strength. So, here the right option is alumina. Okay, alumina is the one which is having highest strength. See, the list is silica, then charcoal, then magnesium oxide, and then alumina in terms of strength. So, yes, alumina is the right answer for this. And now let us move to question number 5. Covaxin is the vaccine which is manufactured by which company? This is a general effect question and very famous as well. You guys would be definitely knowing it. And so the options are Bharat Biotech, Serum Institute of India, Zydus, or none. And of course, the answer is Bharat Biotech. Serum Institute of India is providing us with Covishield. And yes, so that is it for today. I hope you find this MCQs helpful. And if you have any doubts related to this MCQs or any other topic related doubt, then please do mention it in the comment box. I'll be looking forward to help you out there. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you and all the best for your exams.